Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find the lock screen and wallpaper. And as you can see, on the second position we've got whole wallpaper section, so simply tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. What's more, in the right upper corner you've got this picture icon, which means that after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own gallery and you will be able to pick your own photo and set it as a wallpaper. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to change the wallpaper is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So let me check, for example, this one. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the full screen. So you can tap on preview, and after that your device will show the home screen to show you how it will look like. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And as you can see, right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I think I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. And here we've got the information that it has been applied successfully. So let's go back. And as you can see here, we've got it on the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.